Introducing a new line of open center brackets from RACO, the brand with a history of innovation in the electrical industry. The new open center bracket design allows the installer to easily position and adjust electrical boxes and mud rings between studs. Specifically engineered for commercial applications, RACO's open center bracket reduces assembly and installation time on the job site. Our Open Center bracket features a built-in cable management system, which provides first means of support for all types of flexible cable. This patent-pending design is the first in the industry and improves installer efficiency while reducing labor. RACO offers two sizes of Open Center brackets, one for 16-inch stud spacing and one for 24-inch stud spacing to meet customer preference and job requirements. The Open Center bracket accepts 4-inch square and 4 and 11/16-inch square boxes and mud rings. A built-in ruler aids in positioning and alignment of electrical boxes. For more information on these and other fine RACO products, please visit our website.